Good morning, YouTube. So it's -9 Celsius this morning, which is about 15, just under 16 Fahrenheit. When I got this car, it was rough starting or hard to start in the morning, even when it was, even if it was cool out, not even freezing. So we did a valve adjustment, changed the fuel filters, and rebuilt the injectors. And so we're going to do a little test this morning to find out how well it starts in the colder weather. Door frozen shut.
There, an overdose on 75 pounds.
Give a little blow, wait a few seconds. And it's alive. There you go. So if your OM617 is hard starting in the mornings and you haven't adjusted the valves, changed the fuel filters, and rebuilt your injectors, you might want to try that out and see if it helps. Cheers.